In this video, I'm going to review for you Pinbank and show you how it can help you drive more targeted traffic, buyer traffic from Pinterest into your pages, products, wherever you like to promote. Hi, my name is Lucas from Affiliate Marketing Game.net, and during this video I'm going to review for you Pinbank and show you what the product is all about, how the members area is looking. In fact, we are just here inside the members area, so I'm going to walk you step by step and show you what the product is all about. And if this is something what you're looking for, I also create custom-made bonuses, but I'm going to talk about that later on. So what is a Pinbank? Pinbank is a software that helps you to find very targeted buyer traffic from Pinterest. And why Pinterest? Pinterest, it's not like social media like a Facebook, Instagram, where wherever you place in your, for example, your ad, or you like to promote something, people they don't really thinking about buying something. With Pinterest, it's completely different because Pinterest is a search engine like a Google or Bing, and where people go into Pinterest, they looking to buy something. They're looking to get the information to buy some products. It can be physical products, can be digital products. Why? For example, with Facebook hates when you placing some kind of links inside the post or even inside the ad. Yeah, this is crazy, but that's very true. For example, with Facebook, if you not going to drive the traffic of people from the Facebook, you're going to pay less for the ads. You're going to your posts, they're going to be seen by more people, which is crazy, isn't it? Because that's not your goal. Your goal is to bring traffic to your website. Your goal is to bring traffic to your product, and your goal is to sell it, isn't it? With Pinterest, wherever you put in pin, there is a separate space where you can put your link. So people, they come into the Pinterest want you to take these people, this traffic to your website, which is crazy, but this is how it's working. And that's why it's working so well, because most of the people they come in to Pinterest, they're similar to audience from Bing, where you've got people 35 plus with cards, with money to spend, and with buyer intention. That's why it's so powerful. So if this is something that you're looking for, as I said, I created for you custom-made bonuses, so they help you to maximize the profits. Because with Pinbank itself is a software that you can find there. You've got the traffic, you can bring the traffic. The problem is, if you like to sell anything, you need some kind of a bridge page, the bestly. You need some kind of the sales page, and you need product that you like to promote, isn't it? Pinbank cannot offer you this. That's why I going to offer my bonuses, what they helps you to find the landing pages, and it helps you to find the products you like to promote very easy. So if you decide to make a purchase via my link, all you have to do, you have to click the first link down below this video. That will take you to my bonus page. So after you click the link, you will get to this page. Here you'll see my review video that you're just watching now. And when you're scrolling down, here you've got a short review, few words about the Pinbank once again, and here we've got my bonuses. So let me just quick describe you these bonuses, and then we can go to the members area. So my bonus number one is it's like a full in-depth training where I'm going to show you myself how to find the best converting products on Clickbank. Because as I said, you've got the traffic source, but you have to monetize this traffic source. So you have to find the products. And one of the best platforms is a Clickbank, because like, for example, if you like to sell something via Warrior Plus at JVZoo, you have to be approved by vendors, and vendors, if they don't know you, they're not going to approve you very fast. With Clickbank is completely different, because 90% of the products, actually all of the products you can find on the, let's say, members area, affiliate members area, you can promote them straight away. They're giving you links, so you don't have to wait to be accepted. But most of the products, they're really crap. So during this video, I'm going to walk you and show you step by step how to find the best converting products and the best products to promote. And that's my bonus number one. My bonus number two is I'm going to show you how to find and clone the best converting pages to promote any product. Can be from Clickbank, can be from JVZoo, from Warrior Plus, from any platforms you can think of. I'm going to show you how to find the best landing pages. You don't have to think, you don't have to create any copy, you just need to tweak a bit. In fact, on the part of the training, I'm going to show you even how to clone them. Not like you have to copy everything step by step. You can literally you can clone them. Yet this is you have to pay a bit upfront because it's like a special software. It's like a free version where you can build these pages completely for free, and there is like a paid version where it costs like a $4 or £4 per month, but you can clone the pages straight away, which is mind-blowing because you don't have to spend any time. So inside the train, I'm going to show you how to do it both ways. My audio number three, sorry, my bonus number three is I'm giving you front end and audio number one plus advanced Microsoft Ads training, but you don't need this advanced Microsoft Ads training for this product, to be honest with you. By giving you my copy paste profit plus audio number one. Why? That's another way for you to find the best landing pages, because inside copy paste profit and audio number one, I'm giving you 14 done for you pages that are inside the three most profitable niches, like a make money online and wealth and fitness. So those three niches that the most profitable niches, and I'm giving you 14 down for your pages. And during this video, I'm going to actually the training inside the training, going to show you how to download them, how to upload them into your domain, and everything. Everything is for free. So this is my bonus number three. My bonus number four, I giving you resale rights to copy paste profits. You can promote the product copy paste profit itself. Why is so important? Because with my funnel, you can make over $500 per person that you're going to drive the traffic. Actually, you're going to drive to my sales page, and I taking care of the sales pages. I taking care of the supports, everything. So just driving the traffic, so I giving the resale rights. If you like to buy them separate, they cost you $97. So you can treat this as your own. And my last bonus is weekly calls. In fact, this Friday on the 5th, sorry. It's tomorrow. I'm hosting another live call where you can ask me any question about the affiliate marketing, about the local marketing, digital marketing. Plus, there are topics that we're going to walk through, and one of the first topic that will be how to not get stuck with shining objects, how to not waste your money. And plus, you can ask me any question about the affiliate marketing you can think of. So that's my bonus. Of course, I'm giving you all the vendors bonuses. In fact, the vendors bonuses, including most of the bonuses that you will get from the other affiliates. So there you also will get all of them. So if you decide to make a purchase, you'll have to click it. All you have to do just have to click this button here and this button here. That will take you to the sales page. And this button is going to work at 11 a.m. EST today at 4th. Before this time, so this countdown timer has to hit 0, and this way this button start to work. Otherwise, that will take you to the blank page, so don't forget about that. So if you click this link, that will take you to the sales page. That is look like that. This is the sales page, and all you have to do is just to click the link, click the button here, and that will take you to the card processor. So here's the sales page. I'm not going to walk you through the sales page because you can do this on your own time. I don't want to waste your time because I told you everything about the product. Here you can read about how this product had been created, and you're going to meet Katrina and Dimitri Dipapa. He's a product creator, but you can do this on your own time. I just want to show the sales page where you're going to land after you click the link on one of my bonus pages. So let's go to the product itself. Product itself is divided by categories. Actually, before I show you this one, maybe let me show you the training itself. So this is the training area, so it'll be very quick. So you've got the modules. So even if you don't know how to work with Pinterest, the Katrina, she's going to show you everything from A to Z. There are 9 modules. They're very detailed. In fact, inside the module number 1, you'll get an ebook. Which is over 100 pages, and is going to walk you step by step about the basics. So don't worry, it's not only text, there are a lot of graphs, so just to show you why Pinterest is so important. So this is not like 100 pages of text only, but it's very useful if you don't know nothing about the Pinterest. So it's quite good decision just to go through the ebook first, and then even if you're going to work the training video, even if you're going to watch the training videos, you'll know straight away what they're all about. So you've got 9 modules with the training from the basics. And after you watch the training, let's go to the product itself, which is the software. As you can see, I start to dig deep inside one of the keywords. Why crochet? Because my wife, she's got her own business and she's selling like a homemade stuff she's doing from crochet, macrame, all this kind of stuff. So in fact, I'm going to use this product myself. That's why I'm promoting this. So inside the keywords tab, you're going to find the best keywords to work on. The problem is, like here you've got only keywords, but you don't know how many viewers you get, how many searches you've got, because as I said, Pinterest is a search engine. To resolve the issue, you've got 3 ways. You can take all of these keywords and you can simply upload them to Google Trends or to Bing search. The problem is like it's take time, and you just jump in between 2 platforms, which is not the best way to find the best profitable keywords, because every time when you're going to look for other keywords, you have to do exactly same step. And I think what I'm going to do inside my bonus page, I'll paste for you also the demo from Dimitris, where he's going to show you how to jump between the platforms. So we'll see here, you'll see another video from Dimitri when show you the demo. But I'm still thinking this is like really time consuming, and if I want to go this way, then I would go to Google Trends straight away. There is a third option. Via API, you can integrate differently. You can integrate keyword everywhere software, which is mind-blowing. You can integrate with Pinbank, but this is paid for keyword everywhere, but only for $10 you've got 100,000 searches, 100,000 credits. So these $10 that will be enough probably for like a 2-3 months. So it's not like a massive investment. But if you're going to integrate with Pinbank, then you're going to see other sections, columns, where you got the traffic, where you've got the traffic volume, sorry, my throat, where you've got the traffic volume and all the information, cost per click, and how many people looking per month, is this is really trending. You'll get all the information. So that's the best decision. I'm not putting my keyword everywhere members area into Pinbank, into this Pinbank members area, because I'm going to buy myself after the product is going to be launched. So this is this members area you can see now. Yeah, this is the members area, how it's going to look for you and for me later on. But let's say these logins, they're going to disappear after the product is going to be launched. That's why I buying this product myself, and after that I going to integrate my keyword everywhere with Pinbank. So it will be like finding the keywords will be like a flash. So that's the keywords. You've got also trends. Sorry, I've got tab here. You've got threads about the crotch, and this is very important, because with keywords you've got data from Google, from Bing, from other sources. With trends, you've got data strict from Pinterest, and that's why it's so powerful, because here you've got charts, and what they show you is this is trending or this is dropping down. For example, Christmas party outfits, crochet Christmas party outfits. It's like a keyword I would never think of before, and I need to tell this to my wife. But for example, I just want to show something that is dropping, but now all the Christmas stuff will go up. But some of them, for example, Diwali is past already, so this graph will drop down very fast. So that's the keyword I wouldn't go for myself. So this is how you can find the trends. And what is really also great, with the Pinbank, is you can synchronize each of the section with another section. For example, now if I'm going to choose this one, November, maybe not this one, but let's say fireworks craft for kids. If I choose this keyword, this trend, and I can send this to the pins tool or to the boards tool, where it's going to find for me boards with fireworks craft for kids. This is very powerful, because you can just go step by step and find the best pins, the best boards. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you have to go through the training, because this is like, if I start to explain you everything about the Pinterest myself now, that will take you ages. But you can take the information from the, let's say, from the keywords, and you can transfer to the trends. So now you're not looking on the data from Google, you're just correlating this data with Pinterest itself. So from trends, you can find the best keywords they're working with Google and they're working with Pinterest. And from this point, you can go to the pins. So you can you find the best ones, the best keywords with best trends. You go into the pins section, where it's finding for you. As you can see, I put, once again, I put like a crochet, but you can choose the videos or categories here even. But you can find the best trend that's working. You can place here and they find for you the best pins with this trend. From the best pins, and you can see how many people they save this. Of course, this is some hairstyle, but for example here, you've got already what is working for Pinterest, because like over 15,000 people that save this pin. And from this part, you can go to the boards, so you can find the best boards are working with this pin. And from this point, you can go even to the people, where inside the people you can find people they talking about these boards. They've got similar boards and similar pins. So this way you finding the people that you like to follow. And inside the people section, you can even go through the inside the people section. What you can do is, for example, you choose, like, let's say this person's got the best pins, actually the most converting pins, the most known pins. So you just selecting this person, you go into action menu and you analyze pins for this selected person. After you click this, and now it's taking you back to the pins, but only with pins from this person you just choose. So now we can select it, saves, click twice, you've got the most known pins from this person, and you can have a look on what she's doing, and you can just simply copy what she's doing and what she's promoting. Of course, now we're talking about crochet, we're talking about the handmade stuff, but you can use this technique with any product you like to promote. For example, myself, I'm going to use this with affiliate marketing. So I'm going to find the best product to promote with Pinterest, and I'm going to create pins myself about this product, and I'm going to promote. Maybe I'm going to take back to the YouTube with my video, my review video. You know how it's working, so you can use everywhere you like. So this is the product, but before you go inside the software, please go through the members area and start to watch this video and learn about the Pinterest itself, because without this knowledge you won't be able to use this software. Okay, my conclusion, I think is one of the best products that you can find now on the market. And this is not some product that's going to set and forget. He's got Dimitri and his wife, they're going to set and forget. They're going to build trainings around this product. And as far as I know, after the launching, there will be like a monthly subscription for this product. So there won't be like a one-time price. Now it's $27 and $37 for the license, for the business license. It will be like a monthly. Why? Because they're going to invested already a lot, and they're going to invest more into these products. So if you like to find the best traffic you can get, the buyer's traffic, I think this is the product that you're looking for. And if you like my bonuses, all you have to do is just to click the first thing down below this video that takes me to the bonus page, where, as I said, I'll also place the demo of the product itself for you just to have a look in depth before you buy. Before you buy anything, seriously, think twice, 3 times before you push the buy button. Otherwise, because this is your hard-earned money, and I don't want you to waste and just to forget about the product straight away after you purchase it. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you like my Pinbank review. I know it sometimes might be a bit chaotic, but I hope that I give you all the information I could, and I wish you a great day. Bye now.